Alright, hi, welcome. So today, this is our first Python tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna learn how to print text on the screen. Okay, so if you want stuff like this, I'm not gonna explain much, but it's an app called Visual Studio Code. So I'll send the links to install it in the description, and you need Python for this. So depending on what app you're using, you might need to install Python, but I would recommend always installing Python. So that link will also be there, okay? Because this is Python tutorials. So printing text on the screen. What that means is, if we run the code, we want the debugger, which is the runner, I guess, to say whatever you want. So suppose I want to say hello. It'll say hello, okay? But we can't just type that because it's giving me an error, okay? Now, this is very simple, okay? This is actually not even that hard. But before we do that, I'm just going to open a terminal. That's something of Visual Studio Code, which helps you do stuff, I guess. Okay, and I'm going to go to problem, okay? So, like I said, we can't just type hello. Because if we type it, we're going to get errors. We have errors. Syntax error and undefined variable hello. So it thinks that either this is a syntax or a variable. The variable was not defined, and this is not a valid syntax used in coding. So we can't do that. Now, how we actually do it is we do print. Because I said we're going to print text on the screen. So we're going to do print, and it doesn't really matter what you put space or not. I don't. And then parentheses, in Visual Studio Code, it'll automatically put the other parentheses for you. But in the Python debugger and idle, yeah, you don't get that. And I don't know about other stuff, but yeah. So print parentheses, and then when your quotations, because we want to make sure that what we're printing is text. Because if you want to print a variable, like suppose I don't want to teach you this yet, but suppose I want to print what a variable holds, like. If you guys don't know a variable in coding or something, like suppose I want to say variable equals quotations high. So instead of saying quotations high, I can now say variable. But that problem is that that's not a variable right now. And I don't want to teach you that I don't want to go into that stuff yet. So we're just going to stick with quotations, okay? So print parentheses quotations and then type whatever you want. Okay? Now, we're going to terminal for me. And I'm going to say, because for me, the play button doesn't work, so I have to type this. And then lesson 1.5. I'm just going to copy this to save time. Okay. I clicked enter. It printed hello, and the code ended. And again, hello. Keeps on doing that. Doesn't ever change. Okay? So that's it. So you can say like print hello, print I'm doing great. I like cheese. I actually do not like cheeseburgers though, so yeah, I don't think I like cheeseburgers because I don't. Okay, so now this time if we run it, it prints all of those and then X. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.